Welcome to our comparison of two top-tier DDR5 RAM kits, the CORSAIR Vengeance and the G.SKILL Flare X5. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the CORSAIR Vengeance offers a substantial 64 GB, which is ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming. In contrast, the G.SKILL Flare X5 provides 32 GB, which is still ample for most users, but may not suffice for those who require extensive memory for demanding applications. Speed is another critical factor in RAM performance. The G.SKILL Flare X5 boasts a speed of 6000 ms, making it faster than the CORSAIR Vengeance, which operates at 5200 MHz. This higher speed can lead to better performance in gaming and content creation tasks, especially when paired with compatible hardware. Compatibility is crucial when selecting RAM. The CORSAIR Vengeance is designed for Intel systems, while the G.SKILL Flare X5 is optimized for AMD Ryzen platforms. This distinction is essential for users to consider based on their CPU choice to ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR Vengeance and G.SKILL Flare X5 offer excellent performance, but they cater to different needs. The CORSAIR is ideal for users seeking high capacity, while the G.SKILL excels in speed and is tailored for AMD users. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.